Welcome back, everyone. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop this right now. And as you can see, we have the iPhone and the iPad. Earlier in this tutorial series, I talked about universal apps. Now, what that means is that you're going to make the code once in Buzztouch, and it's going to be able to be run on both an iPad and an iPhone if you want to. So let's just quickly talk about where we see this here. Now, I'm not going to go over Xcode in detail. I already have another course for that, but we don't really need to do too much in Xcode here. Buzztouch takes most of the headache out of the equation here. But if you do want to, I do have a course for that, and you can message me, and I can show you about that course. But what we need to do is we need to go and click on this right here, and we need to click on Summary. And we see this Devices, Universal. Okay? And what this will do is that this will make a universal app. Now, let's say you want just an iPad app. Then this is where you would click it. In this case, when we upload this to the App Store, it will only be used for iPad. And in this case, when we upload it to the App Store, only use it for iPhone. So you've probably noticed this across a few apps in the App Store where there is an iPhone app and then there's an iPad app, and they're pretty much the same thing, just a little different. Well, the universal app is what it is, and the one thing that you need to do is you'll also notice there's a deployment target here, and for the most part you want to make sure that this is the most up to date. And the reason is that when you're first starting out, you're using all the features that you can, and usually that will be everything that you will need within the latest version. Sometimes it's not, but you want to make sure that when you're starting out, you want to make the deployment to this one because it's a little easier. And the short answer is a little easier to develop for, but eventually you want to bring this down if you can, but you can't always do that. Okay, but for the most part, this is how you add in a universal app. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.